Find the hybrid parameters for the given circuit. Here, hybrid parameters, what is hybrid parameters? V1 equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2 and I2 equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. To find the four parameters H11, H12, H21, H22, first let us assume that V2 equal to 0. If you assume V2 equal to 0, what we will get is H11 equal to V1 by I1 provided V2 equal to 0. Similarly, H21 equal to I2 divided by I1 provided V2 equal to 0. First, let us assume that V2 equal to 0. It means we have to short circuit the output port. If you short circuit the output port, V2 becomes 0. Now let us find that H11. If you short circuit the output port, the current, the phi I, that the entire current of this dependent current source will flow through this path. It will not affect the input port. Because of the short circuit path, the entire phi I will flow through this short circuited path. Therefore, we can assume that this 9 ohm and 1 ohm are in parallel. 9 ohm and 1 ohm are in parallel. And current through this is I1 and voltage applied is V1. Therefore, R equivalent equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 9. That is equal to 9 divided by 10. That is equal to 0.9. R equivalent equal to. Therefore, we can redraw the circuit as R equivalent equal to 0.9 ohm. And the current through this is I1 and the voltage applied is V1. Therefore, V1 divided by I1 equal to 0.9. That is equal to H11. We got the first parameters. One of the parameters, that is H11 we got. Now let us find H21. What is H21? H21 equal to I2 divided by I1 provided V2 equal to 0. But I2 equal to what? I2 equal to the entire phi I flow through this output port. Therefore, I2 equal to 5I plus the current through 9 ohm is flowing against that I2. Therefore, minus I9 ohm. That is equal to 5I. I equal to what? I equal to, here if you see that this is I. This is I. This is I. I equal to the other branch resistance, that is 9 divided by 10 multiplied by total current I1, that is I, minus 9 ohm. Current through 9 ohm is other branch resistance divided by sum of the resistances multiplied by I1. Therefore, 45 divided by 10 I1 minus 1 by 10 I1 or 44 divided by 10 I1, that is equal to 4.4 I1. I2 equal to or I2 divided by I1 equal to 4.4. We got the another parameters. This is H21. H21 also we got. Now we have to find the other two parameters. For that, we can assume that I1 equal to 0. I1 equal to 0. For that, the circuit becomes the circuit is looking like this. What we will get is I1 equal to 0. 1 ohm. This is 9 ohm. Current through this is 5I. Current through this is I. Current through this is I2. Voltage applied is V2. That's all. Now we have to find what is required. If I1 equal to 0, the equation becomes V1 equal to H1 to V2, or this implies V1 by V2 equal to H12, and we'll get I2 divided by V2 equal to H22. I2 equal to what? I2 equal to I2. I2 is here. I2 is this and this sum of these two. That is I2 equal to 5I plus I. That is equal to 6I. Let it be 1. Let it be 1. I2 we got. What is the expression for V2? The expression for V2 can be obtained by writing KVL for this loop. Here we do not know the voltage. Since it is a current source, we do not know the voltage. That's why we have to consider the loop A, B, C, D. For that loop, if you write KVL for A, B, C, D, if you write, we are traveling along I2. Therefore, minus 9I2. What is current through 9 ohm? I. Current through 9 ohm is I. Minus 9I minus 1I minus 1I plus V2 because we are traveling from negative to positive. While traveling dA, we are negative to positive. Therefore, plus V2 equal to 0 or V2 equal to 10I. Let it be second equation. What we need I2 by V2. Therefore, left hand side is I2 and V2 we have. Therefore, I2 divided by V2 equal to 6I divided by 10I. That is equal to 0.6. That is equal to H22. We got H22. We have to get the relation between V1 and V2. V1 and V2. What is V1? V1 is drop across 1 ohm. Drop across 1 ohm. Therefore, V1 equal to 1I. Let it be 3. Equation number 3. V2 equal to what? V2 equal to drop across 9 ohm plus 1 ohm. 9I plus 1I. That is equal to 10I. Let it be 4. From 3 and 4, we can write V1 divided by V2 equal to 1I divided by 10I. That is equal to 0.1. That is equal to H12. We got all the 4 parameters.